Are you ready to take your NPS survey to the next level and truly engage with your customers? In this video, I'll explain the benefits of an NPS survey and how to create one with Formulu. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on customer engagement. The NPS survey is most commonly utilized by businesses across various industries, including retail, finance, healthcare, and tech. Any company that values customer satisfaction and aims to foster customer loyalty can benefit from implementing NPS. So, why is it important to use an NPS survey? NPS surveys are important because it helps companies understand the overall satisfaction levels of their customers and the likelihood of them promoting their business. And by tracking the NPS over time, companies can assess the effectiveness of their customer experience efforts and identify areas for improvement. NPS is widely adopted across industries by businesses seeking to gauge customer satisfaction and loyalty. Whether it's a retail store, a software company, or a service provider, businesses across various sectors leverage NPS to measure customer satisfaction and inform strategic decisions to enhance the overall customer experience. Formulu makes it very easy to fill out the forms. Simply click a few buttons and type in your responses and just press submit. Now, on the Design tab, we have the option to show the form as a classic form or one question on each page. We can also shuffle the fields order and change the color of the text and the background if needed. So to share your form, you can simply press copy link, or you can embed it within a website through an iframe, script, or chat box, press get code, and there you have it. Now, through the help desk, you can get all the help you need through our articles. You can also ask our AI chatbot, where you can ask questions and get more information about Formulu. Now, in the article section, you can see we have many different categories of information, all of which can cater to your needs. So that's how you create an NPS survey. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or access our help desk for more information. Until then, see you next time. Happy Formuluing!